Do you want to hit? You want to hit him? Did that pick you up? Isn't it great to have a practice with silence?
Yes.
Listen, I don't know what you two are doing with the school thing, but it's gotta be done sooner than later.
Yeah, I know.
Why you want to go? Or you want to go to school in Massachusetts of all places?
No, Tennessee. The Tennessee school is my main.
Well, what's the issue with that school?
Nothing. I just got my financial aid thing finished, so I gotta see how much I get, and then they said they're gonna cover the rest.
So if you get 50%, they'll cover it.
It's only $14,000.
So, alright. What about school? And school's going good?
Yeah.
I have number 3. I'll see you maybe Sunday.
Sunday?
Probably.
Alright.
Alright.
We should get ready to war.
I'll put something else extra on it. Daniel, remember, watch your shoulders. Don't be spinning your shoulders. Right? Spin your hips, not your shoulders. Right. I love these practices. You don't have to say. Don't go underneath the baseball. That's it for the day. Here, let me see. That's it, Rondo. What's that you going? Make sure it gets in. And right here. Right here. Yeah, I want you to look at this.